morning, Jake.
Martin, what's up with you?
Oh, nothing much, actually. So, anyways, have you ever thought about doing chores to make money?
Oh, I never thought of that before.
Also, I heard that you can actually make a lot of money out of engineering.
True.
True. In fact, engineering is the most important job of all.
I was gonna say that.
Well, you were too late, so.
Hey, what did I tell you about bragging on me?
Oh,
Exactly.
so anyways, it's a chilly weather, huh?
Not that chilly of a weather.
Um, hey, boss. So what have you been doing when you were a little baby?
Oh, remember that time I caught a catfish when I went fishing while I was young?
Wait, what? Oh my goodness. You never told me.
Me neither.
Well, I don't have to tell you. Because you're always misbehaving.
Of course you're the music master.
But that's not fair. I wanna be like him.
Well, it doesn't look like you want to.
Okay, geez, guys. Let me think. So, unfortunately, I don't know the date of your birthday.
Between April or August to October.
Sure, I'm here.
And that means you both have the same birthday. Hey, Emily.
What is it?
Have you ever wanted to play solitaire or card sharks?
Either one, but I prefer card sharks more. In fact, card sharks has always been my favorite game. I don't know why we don't have the required cards yet.
Me neither.
My favorite thing about card sharks is the money cards. And the most funniest moment is the bus thingy.
I know, right? If only I had those cards.
course. The musician.
Emily,
What?
have you been bored without me?
Yeah, I was bored without you.
Yeah, me too.
I know you was Jake. Wait.
I feel so good with that door light thingy.
If only you had the actual door light. Um, um. So, have you ever wished that if you have you ever wished that you had feet?
So sad I don't have feet. But there's no rush on what you're saying.
I know. Hey Jake,
What is it?
did you know that Florida's my favorite sunshine state?
Yeah?
I heard too.
So, I should have known there was a Pinnacle. I should have known that Pinnacle Academy School had 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. Which means if I haven't moved, if I haven't moved here to Georgia, or should I say, if we had the chance to stay in Florida, we would have stayed in Pinnacle School.
I know, I'm so sorry.
It's so sad.